CRCL stock analysis and CRCL stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in the space with a 45,000 video track record and 5 years of off experience, all documented. Yes, it's taken me 5 years. So I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Especially even if I come here, I don't think I'm not buying whatsoever. This thing is melting like crazy. I'm not saying that I'm not buying whatsoever, like never, but this would only really make sense for me to be bullish on like CRCL if I start seeing those breaks above 145.16. And if I don't, there's just simply going to be no way that I will look to take things up. Also, I do have a lot of receipts, about 54 right there in the Discord. So it's really like there's not lack of coverage in this, but it's also there is going to be lack of action by my side if rules are not met. And I'm very fine with that, because all these other tickers that you're seeing on the watch list, they at least are basically showing great rule. I mean, some of them, right? Not all. But I'm just saying, like, it's, instead of just risking my money, why the heck would I risk it when there's other better setups? You know what I mean? So if you want to stay tuned and want to get stock picks, tips, and insights for free, click the first link in the description. See you in the next